Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll be demonstrating you an Android application to detect whether a person is having COVID or not using his chest X-ray. We have created this project in Android Studio and trained our model using TensorFlow Lite. So basically it's image classifier. I have given a download link of this application in the description. Please go and check. Once you download the application, you need to follow the registration process where you have to give your mail ID, mobile number and password. So I'm not wasting time in creating a new account. I have already created an account on this application, so using those credentials. Once you logged in into application, you will be able to see interface like this. It's a home screen where you can see the total number of cases, total number of recovered patients, then deaths and the active cases. It's a global stat. At the top of this application you will be able to see a bar graph where the total cases, recovered, deaths and active cases, like active number of people are shown. The main model of this application is to check whether you have COVID or not using your chest X-ray. For that you have to click on the upload icon and then you will be able to see the interface like this. So you have to upload your X-ray here only. To upload that you need to click on the square box. Okay, once you click on the square box you will be able to see your file explorer from where you can select your image. Okay, so I have some samples like x-rays of people who is having COVID and who is not having COVID symptoms basically. So we'll check one by one. I'm taking a x-ray of a person who is not having COVID. So we are just selecting the image. Once you select the image you need to click on generate result. So it will take some time to compare it with the trained model and accordingly it will give results to you. So yeah, we have selected image of a person who is not having COVID. So it given a result that you found COVID negative. Okay, so let's check for another image. I'm taking image of person who is having COVID actually. So click on generate result. Alright, so yeah, here we got the result. You found COVID positive. So it will take some time to compare it with the trained model and accordingly it will give the result to you. Alright, so there is again a history where you can see your uploaded images or uploaded x-rays and the result and the date. If you like the video, please hit a like button and tell me in the comment section whether you want me to upload a video tutorial on this. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.